Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. If you've been following me along for some time, you know how much I love seasonal salads, and today I have another great recipe for you. We'll be making my fig and prosciutto arugula salad with creamy burrata cheese, and this salad is packed with the most incredible ingredients and flavors. I love the sweet figs here too, and I think it's perfect for the end of summer. We'll start by combining arugula with thinly shaved fennel, top that with salty prosciutto, creamy burrata cheese, sweet figs, pistachios, and drizzle everything with olive oil, balsamic glaze, and honey. And this salad is really great all on its own, but when you pair it with some grilled steaks, it makes for the ultimate summertime dinner. It's so incredibly delicious. Don't forget to head on down into that video description box for all the recipe details up on my website. And now let me show you how to make one of my favorite seasonal salads. Let's start today with our fennel. I'm going to cut off these green parts and I'm going to save these to garnish the salad with later. Trim off the bottom. And then let's set up our mandolin slicer. I like to set it to like the thinnest level possible. And you want the fennel very thinly shaven so you can combine it with the arugula, and it's so incredibly delicious this way. I'm going to place it into a bowl and set it aside for later. We also need to chop a little handful of fresh basil. I just love having fresh basil in the salad. Give it a rough chop and we'll set it aside for later. And now time for our figs. And there's a couple different ways you could cut them. You could just simply cut them into quarters. And these will look really pretty too. You can slice them into little circles like this. Or what I like to do also is cut them into quarters, but not all the way. Kind of pop them open like that. There you go. And that'll look really pretty too. With just that little bit of prep, we're ready to put together our salad. I'm going to start with a bed of baby arugula and I'm going to combine it and toss it together with my thinly shaved fennel. So you want to combine that all together. And I love fennel in salads. It's been one of my favorite ingredients for quite some time now. And I just love the flavor that it adds. It's really fantastic combined with arugula. And then when you combine it with seasonal fruit, it's also so good. Add some thinly sliced cucumbers. And these are from my mom's garden. She has the best cucumbers. Sprinkle on your chopped basil. Time for some salty prosciutto. And what I do is I kind of tear apart the sliced prosciutto so it's not in large chunks and just kind of drop it over the salad. And you can add as much or as little of this as you would like. Then we could start adding our creamy burrata cheese. Check that out, doesn't that look wonderful? Just gonna tear apart the larger pieces. I'm gonna drop it over the salad. Drop your sliced figs over the top. Sprinkle on some chopped pistachios. And then go back to these fennel greens, kind of separate the little sprigs, and then add those to the top. Season the salad generously with sea salt, ground black pepper. And for the dressing, I'm going to start with some really good quality extra virgin olive oil. I'll just drizzle that all over the salad, and this is gonna add fantastic flavor. A little drizzle of some sweet honey. and some rich and thick balsamic glaze. And that's it for our easy fig and prosciutto salad. This turned out so beautiful, so spectacular, and so delicious looking. I can't wait to dig in and enjoy. Don't forget to head on down into the video description box. I'll have all the details up on my website for you. I'm going to grab a little bit of the sweet fig with the salty prosciutto and some creamy burrata cheese, a little bit of the arugula. This is a perfect bite of salad. That was the most incredible salad bite ever right there. The combination of flavors is so incredible. You have the creamy cheese, salty prosciutto, sweet fig, and the simple dressing of just the olive oil, the honey, and balsamic is really all the salad needs because all the flavor is there already. It's so, so delicious. All right, let's grab another bite. Oh, these figs are so delicious. A little bit of the fennel. Oh, the salad is just so, so good. My husband is going to be firing up the grill next to make some steaks to go along with this incredible fig salad. That is one of our favorite ways to enjoy it. Juicy steaks and fig salad is just unbeatable. I hope you enjoyed this incredible salad at home too. Thank you for watching my latest episode, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.